Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Parade in downtown Kingston, and we are going to talk about a very important project that the government has planned for down here. Now you see those JUTC buses we passed on the left? They plan to build bus bays that are covered with canopies for the JUTC buses down here. So the JUTC uses South Parade and North Parade. We are now driving on West Parade going up to North Parade. And you're going to see even more JUTC buses, but they are just out in the open. Okay, there you can see them. Those on the left and those on the right. The ones on the right are just parked in the road. On the left, no canopies, no covering, no railing, nothing. So the government plans to put up proper bus bays out here for this section, which is North Parade and South Parade. Now, this project has been discussed for quite some time. I'm not sure why they haven't started, because it doesn't really take much to put up the bays. But we will definitely keep you guys updated on this project. Alright, so we are going to give you more information on what they have planned for out here. And Parade is probably the second busiest place in Kingston. Halfway Tree is the busiest place with up to 250,000 people a day using it. And they have the massive Halfway Tree Transport Center that the JUTC uses, world-class facility. And they need something like that for downtown Kingston, especially where, well, no, they would have to remove the park to build something like a Halfway Tree Transport Center. But what they need to do is improve the bay areas for the JUTC buses at Parade. The simple canopies, seating, railing, proper signage, that is more than sufficient for now. All right, so we're going to go through and we're going to give you an update on what they have planned for down here. The construction of new bus bays along North and South Parade in downtown Kingston marks a significant step in the running effort to bring order, safety, and efficiency to one of the capital's busiest transport corridors. Parade has for decades functioned as an informal transport hub, serving thousands of commuters daily, but its heavy use has also exposed long-standing problems of congestion disorder and pedestrian risk. Parade sits at the center of downtown Kingston's commercial life. From early morning to late evening, buses, taxis, vendors, and pedestrians compete for limited space. Without clearly defined loading and unloading zones, buses often stop in traffic lanes, creating bottlenecks and increasing the risk of accidents. The construction of proper bus bays is intended to change that dynamic by clearly separating pedestrian movement from vehicular activity. The new bus bays are designed to improve commuter experience and traffic flow. By providing designated stopping points, buses can load passengers more efficiently without blocking through traffic. Planned features such as shelters, seating, signage, and improved lighting are meant to offer basic comfort and protection from the elements, while also making it easier for passengers to identify their routes. These upgrades reflect a shift towards treating public transport users with greater dignity and consideration. Alright guys, that's the end of the updates. So that gives you a general idea of what they have planned for out here. Let us know what you think and why you think it's taking so long for them to get it done. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.